about stacks. Stack is the second unit of the data structure that subject having in the second year computers. Now stack. It is a linear data structure. It is a linear data structure. Before in the first unit we have to discuss about that types of the data structures. In that types of the data structure we learned about that linear data structure and non-linear data structure. In linear data structure having some types and non-linear data structure also having some types. So now the stacks having in the linear data structure. That stack means it is a ordered collection of homogeneous data elements where the insertion and deletion process. See once ordered collection of data elements where insertion and deletion. These data elements are always having in the homogeneous data type. Homogeneous data type. This stacks follows it takes only one end place. It takes place only at one end. That meaning whenever we have to take the stack, the insertion process and deletion process perform at only one end. Stack lo మనం సేమ్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ డేటా టైప్స్ ని ఇన్సర్ట్ చేయడానికి కానీ డిలీట్ చేయడానికి కానీ మనం స్టాక్స్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం. అలా స్టాక్స్ యూజ్ చేసినప్పుడు ఇక్కడ స్టాక్స్ లో ఏం జరుగుతుంది అంటే మనం ఎలిమెంట్స్ ని ఇన్సర్ట్ చేయాలి అన్నా లేదా అందులో నుంచి డిలీట్ చేయాలి అన్నా మనం ఒక ఎండ్ నుంచే చేయగలం. కాబట్టి దిస్ వన్ ఫాలోస్ ద LIFO mechanism. This LIFO mechanism means last in first out. Last in first out. That meaning which element kept in the stack last, that element keep in first outside. That is the stack. So for example, in general example, we perform some plates are arranged in the tray. This is the tray. Some plates are arranged in the tray like this. First plate, second plate, third plate. First I kept first plate here, and next second kept in this plate, third this plate. This plate kept in the last. So whenever we want to take this plate one by one, first of all we remove this plate from this order. That is the LIFO statement. Same as like that. In stack also, which element are kept in first or which element are kept in last, that element only take in first. That is the stack. This stack follows the mainly 6 operations. So follows mainly 6 operations. That 6 operations are, first one is the push operation, and second one is the pop operation, and third one is the is empty, and fourth one is the is full, and fifth one is the clear the stack, and sixth one is the display. These six operations are perform the stack. First one, push operation. Push operation always represents the insertion. That meaning whenever we have to elements are inserted to the stack, we can perform the push operation. Pop operation always indicates the deletion purpose. Whenever we remove elements from the stack, we can perform the pop operation, and next is empty. Now we want to check whether true or false. That meaning stack is full or empty. Not there any elements, that means stack is empty. We want to also perform this operation by using the program. And next is full. Stack is full or not. That is also one of the operation in the stack. And fifth one is the clear the stack. In the stack all elements are clear at the same time. అంటే ఒకేసారి స్టాక్ లో ఉన్న ఎలిమెంట్స్ అన్నిటిని మనం డిలీట్ చేయాలి అంటే కనుక మనం క్లియర్ ఆపరేషన్ ని యూజ్ చేస్తాం. And next one is the display. Which elements are deleted? That elements are displayed. Is it displayed at the another performance? That is the displayed. Initially stack having no elements. That meaning stack is the empty. Stack is the empty. Whenever that stack is the empty, that meaning top equal to -1. We have to consider the top equal to -1. And the stack implemented in two ways. That implementation processor first one is the using arrays, and second one is the using linked list. These two implementations are perform the stack operation. In this two performance using arrays, it has the fixed length. Fixed length means size already we fixed. That is the meaning already we have to take any size. For example, size equal to 5. Arrays are always taken in the like this. A of 5. A of 5 means here arrays always start from the 0 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, because here 5 elements are there. In the first element we want to take the 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So elements are take like in the array formation. Now we will see the examples for the stack. In example for stack, first we discussed about that stack perform pop operation and push operation. So the push operation, the term is indicates the elements are inserted into stack. Whenever we have to insert the elements into stack, we can perform the push operation. And next one is the pop. Pop means the elements are removed from or deleted from stack. We can perform the pop operation. For example, see here, example, we want to take stack like this. Here top equal to -1. That meaning stack is empty. So now we want to fill the stack with the elements. First of all, the stack is empty means here having we call that underflow. The stack is underflow. And next I want to push 5. The element 5 is pushed into the stack. That means push of 5. నేను 5 అనే ఎలిమెంట్ ని ఇప్పుడు స్టాక్ లో పెట్టాలనుకుంటున్నా. అప్పుడు ఇక్కడ టాప్ అనేది ఏమవుతుంది అంటే సి టాప్ ఈక్వల్ టు టాప్ ప్లస్ 1. Before we said that top equal to -1, not there any elements means top equal to -1. So here top equal to -1 plus 1. So that element number is the 0. So ఇప్పుడు 5 అనేది 0 అనే ప్లేస్ లో ఇన్సర్ట్ అయి ఉంటుంది. సో ఇక్కడ టాప్ వాల్యూ అనేది 0 అయ్యింది అండ్ ఎలిమెంట్ 5 మనం ఇక్కడ ఇన్సర్ట్ చేస్తాం. నెక్స్ట్ ద సేమ్ యాజ్ లైక్ దట్ పుష్ ఆఫ్ 6. నేను 6 అనే ఎలిమెంట్ ని ఇన్సర్ట్ చేయాలి అనుకుంటున్నా. ఆల్రెడీ జీరోలో టాప్ జీరోలో 5 అనే ఎలిమెంట్ ఉంది. సో ఇప్పుడు నేను మళ్ళీ టాప్ ఈక్వల్ టు టాప్ ప్లస్ 1 తీసుకుంటా. టాప్ ప్లస్ 1 అంటే ఇక్కడ ఆల్రెడీ టాప్ అనేది 0. సో 0 ప్లస్ 1 అని నేను కన్సిడర్ చేసినప్పుడు హియర్ టాప్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1 అవుతుంది. సో ఇక్కడ నాకు టాప్ అనేది 5 కి మూవ్ అయ్యి 1 లోకి వెళ్తుంది. సో నౌ ఐ విల్ ఇన్సర్ట్ ఆర్ పుష్ ద 6 into the stack. Next again same as like that I want to push of 7. That means నేను 7 అనే ఎలిమెంట్ ని నేను పుష్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నా. ఆల్రెడీ 0 లో 5 ఉంది అండ్ 1 లో 6 ఉంది. నౌ టాప్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1. సో అగైన్ we find the top value top plus 1. ఆల్రెడీ అక్కడ టాప్ వాల్యూ అనేది 1. సో టేక్ 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Now top value equal to 2. This top value move to 2. So in this 2 we have push the 7. And next again we consider push of 8. That meaning now the 8th element inserted into the stack already here 0 plus having 5 and 1 plus having 6, 2 plus having 7. Now find the top value. Top equal to top plus 1. Already top value here 2. That meaning 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Here the top moves to 3. Now in the 3 having the 8th element. It is same as like that up to we have to consider the 9 is. Now push 9. Take again stack. Now we want to push 9. That meaning top already 3. So top plus 1 means 4. Now already 0 having the 5th element and 1 having the 6 and 2 having the 7, 3 having the 8 and 4 having the 9. Here 5 elements are inserted into the stack because of array of 5. Before we have to take array of 5. That's why here taken like 5 elements. These perform the insertion operation. At the same time we delete the elements by 1 same as like that. But before we discuss like that it performs the LIFO mechanism. LIFO mechanism means which element can be inserted in the last, that one removed from the stack first. సో మనం ఏ ఎలిమెంట్ అయితే లాస్ట్ ఇన్సర్ట్ చేసామో ఆ ఎలిమెంట్ ని మనం ఫస్ట్ స్టాక్ నుండి రిమూవ్ చేయాలి. దట్ ఈస్ ద డిలీషన్ ఆపరేషన్. Whenever we fill the all elements, we have to take to A of 5. Already 5 elements are here filled in the stack. That meaning the stack is overflow. Any elements not there means that is the stack is underflow. So our array size is already filled all the stack. That meaning overflow. Next, we discuss about the pop operation. Which stack inserted? That one only taken in the pop operation like this. Here 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. First, we want to delete the 9. After deletion of the same as like that push operation, we can how to improve top equal to top plus 1 and next top equal to top plus 1. Each and every element which way we have to take like that. Here also same as the process in the pop operation. 9 deleted. After here we have the 5, 6, 7, 8 and again remove the 8 from the stack and next we have to go here pop 9 and here pop of 8. Here next pop of 7. That meaning we remove the element of the 7 from the stack. 5, 6, here 7 is removed from stack and next we go to pop equal pop of 6. That meaning we remove the 6 from the stack like this. Here always one by one removed like that. Pop of 5. This is the pop operation for the stack. Now we can perform the logics for stack operations. Logics for stack operations. Before I told to you so many operations in the stack like push operation, pop operation, clear the stack and is empty, is full. That all are operations of this stack. That operations can be performed in the programmatically. That is the logics for the stack operation. In the logic for the stack operation, first we have to discuss about clear stack. Clear stack. That meaning at the same time stack having the some elements like this 10, 20, 30. These 3 elements are removed from the stack at the same time. That is the clear stack. In this clear stack we have to use some functions. In any program having the public void main functions all there. Directly I want to say from the main function for the clear stack. So here we have to use a clear method. Clear stack method. In clear stack method, after we have to take curly braces and here initially stack is stack top equal to -1. Now we want to take like this. The clear stack is take the top equal to -1. We can perform the clear stack. This operation can be performed on the system. The stack is clear. And next we have to go to is empty. Is empty. Now we want to discuss about is empty stack. Is empty stack means stack is empty or not. Perform of the empty or not. First of all, we can use that is empty method, in this is empty method, we have take like this. First of all, we want to check is stack is empty or not. That's why we want to take here if statement. If of top double is equal to -1, we compare the stack top double equal to -1. Whenever the top equal to -1, stack is also empty. That's why we want to consider this one is empty or not. We check the condition like this. It has true, return true. That meaning stack is empty. Otherwise, else return equal to false. Return false. The stack is not empty. Now we consider the logic operation of the full stack. Full stack method. We take full stack method. In this full stack method, we consider like this, and here also check the condition. If condition. In the if condition, we have to consider the size of the stack equal to top plus 1. That meaning the size of the stack is compared with the top plus 1. Here we consider like this. Whenever we check that one size already we have to take 5. So the stack size is the 5. Whenever the size here take 5 and here consider from the 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 0 to 4 numbers are considered. That 4 numbers are considered means top plus 1 equal to 5. Here top equal to 4 and we check that condition 5 equal to top plus 4. Top plus 1. So top equal to how much, right? 4. 4 plus 1 equal to 5. Whenever 5 equal to 5, the size equal to top, the condition is true. That meaning the stack is full. Here see that